Hello everyone, my name is Keha. If you've watched my previous videos, you must have seen our pet Honey, but I don't think I've ever talked about her like that. So I want you all to meet this teeny tiny ball of happiness. Many people don't know what kind of rodent is Honey, so she is a guinea pig. My sister brought her home without letting us know, which is probably the best thing she has ever done. My mother had never allowed us to have any kind of pet, which was fair as we have moved a lot in all these years. So, yeah, that's that. Guinea pigs are extremely tidy creatures and they don't need baths. Honey roams around the house all the time and get dirty because he gets stuck in spider webs and sometimes drown herself in her food. So we bathe her sometimes against her will, obviously. But yeah, they are very clean. They clean themselves. So yeah.
Happy birthday.
Tap the banner to listen now, only on Spotify.
ये तो मूडी खराब
Dear teenage me.
Oh my god.
I still regret about
ये
the
trick
waste
मुझे भी
time.
आती है,
It's a
पता है?
waste of time.
I don't care. I don't know what is this thing. गाली दे रहा है क्या?
Ooh, I don't know.
कुछ तो अच्छा बोल रहा है.
How do you know that?
I don't care. सुनना अच्छा बोल रहा है.
Sweet. मेरी बहन ऐसे एक्नॉलेज बोलती है.
मेरे को अक्नॉलेज साफ बोलना आता है लेकिन उस गाने में मेरे से अक्नॉलेज निकलता है. क्या गाना है वो?